This is ChrisTuttle, IFBB Pro, Universal Athlete. Today I'm going to discuss essential amino acids. Essential amino acids, basically, they cannot be made by the body. They must be brought in by food or an exogenous form, like such a supplement form. The human body cannot make them. And there's 9 essential amino acids, which is an interesting fact is certain animals do not need an exogenous form or food of essential amino acids. They can synthesize them themselves through other foods, such as like purely grains or vegetables, or only eating grass, like such as horses. And the 9 essential amino acids, and obviously there's some of them that we recognize, and I'll mention those first. Phenylalanine, methionine, leucine, valine, isoleucine, which is those branched chains, the last ones there, histidine, threonine, tryptophan, which we all know tryptophan, and lysine. So those are the 9 essential ones, and we do need those for a variety of tasks in the body, which I'll get into in a second. And so I want to mention something else too about biological value, because that kind of directly correlates with essential amino acids. Biological value basically is the measure of the amount of protein from a food that can be absorbed readily by the body into its own proteins, meaning the amino acid profile of that particular food is complete enough where the body can quickly utilize that into growth of tissue or repair. And obviously those sources would obviously include things that we all know about in bodybuilding. And some of the main functions of essential amino acids, and a lot of people always recognize the growth of tissue, body repair, skin repair, and other ones are interesting. Some of those maintenance of body cells. It actually controls water balance in the body and pH levels, repairs bones and cells, exchanges nutrients between tissues, can be made up as neurotransmitters. And obviously everybody knows that all enzymes in the body are made up of protein. Communication between brains and nerve cells, and the presence of amino acids helps vitamins and minerals work to their full potential. So if the essential amino acids become slightly deprived, the vitamins and minerals also don't work. So essential amino acids kind of have like a big synergistic effect in the body. That's why having a diet full of a variety of food is very important, instead of eating the same thing every day, every meal, not having a variety. And most important too, regulate blood sugar. Most people will assume that only thing that regulates blood sugar is insulin and keeping your carbs low, but essential amino acids can also assist with that. And I think that some of the things that people see when they see a difference in how they feel during their training, when they sip branched chain amino acids or they have essential amino acids during the workout, they have more sustained energy level, because some of the muscles can use those amino acids as energy and delay fatigue. And that's something that without raising blood sugar. So that's an important factor as well. And another thing is some sources, as we all know, chicken, beef, eggs, cottage cheese, milk. All those things are all complete sources, and those all have the most amino acids and also have a high biological value. And I must mention that things like chicken, things like fish, whey protein have the highest biological value, and the next would be like chicken, beef, and then it goes down the line. I'm going to introduce you to a dog just because it's funny. This is a new addition to the family. His name is Stuart. He's pretty laid back, he's pretty chill. You just hold him like this all day long. He just hangs out. He gets into a lot of mischief in the house, but good entertainment. People always like, oh, little dogs are stupid, they're so small, and they're annoying, and they're feminine. But you know what? They're funny. They make me laugh. And I had a big dog. And when you have a huge dog and a small dog, and you put them together, it's even better. Well, thanks, guys. I'll keep you guys posted on some more videos next time.